Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today we're going to talk about this project that I did in the fall of 2024. What the client invested, what they paid me to do the job, what I supplied, what they supplied, how many days and how many hours this actually took. A real world scenario as me as an owner operator, basically one guy on a job working on it, getting it done. Here we go. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Donnie D back at you. I appreciate you tuning into the video again, spending your time here to watch videos like this. Anyway, this is a project I did in the fall of 2024. I'll give you a quick breakdown. Client had a contractor come in, realized they were doing a lot of things wrong. He found me, I came out and gave him a hand and got this done for him. But as far as the tile work goes, we were working with a 13 by 26 on the walls and a 12 by 12 on the floor, and they were both porcelain tile, and everything was installed in a grid pattern. So we used go board for the walls, sealed together with their go board sealant, screws and washers and all that. Everything sealed up. The client on this project had a shower pan that they had installed. Really, actually, pretty decent one made by Kohler. It was actually cast iron, so it was a pretty solid one and all that. So this client did a lot of the work themselves, and as far as the carpentry and drywall goes. So this is how it looks so far on the project. Go boards up and so on. But anyway, we'll go over to the breakdown here. You know how much time and effort and what the client has invested into this project. So as far as what I supply and what they supplied, they actually supplied the go board, the sealant, screws and washers, and all that. I supply the setting materials, grout, and so on with that kind of material, and they supply the tile as well, the profiles, and all that. So that's as far as who supplied what. I'll give you an idea of how much time I have into the job, okay? Now this is, not every day is a long day, not every day is a short day, so it varies, but I was on this project as far as doing the work for, not going to see them, not doing this or that, but actually going to the project to do work. I went there a total of 11 days worth of work. And as far as how many hours I have total into the job, I have a total of 57 hours into the project, okay? A lot of time and effort in this job with the niche. They had a very large niche that I built and installed for them with multiple shelves and mosaics in there and all that. So that took the majority of the time. This project was that. Walls were decently flat. Floor was, so-so, but I made it work. So that's how much time I have into the whole, the whole job, the whole scope. As far as what the client actually paid me to do the job, okay? Now, price is going to vary depending on how the market's looking at the time. Market goes up, market goes down. I have to adjust my prices to that, to be able to feed my family and to stay busy. So, bear with me with that. But anyway, as far as what the client paid me to do the job at the time, once again, in the fall of 2024, was $4,532. Once again, $4,532. So that's the whole job. That's breaking it down for you. If you have any questions at all about this project or similar projects, whatever it is, just put in the comments, or even feel free to reach out to me if you have a project like this you want to do or someone you know wants to do. This is what they invested at the time. I'm a contractor here in Central New Jersey, and that's this project. I appreciate you tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Donnie D signing off.